Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to show to you my design of a 148 square meters lot area wherein majority of the design was inspired by a minimalist theme. I focused on using white, gray, brown, and black color in this house design to achieve the minimalist or Zen theme of the house. This house design was requested by one of my friends, and they want a house that have 4 bedrooms, 1 carport, and a provision for 3rd floor. And hopefully, they can be able to use my house design in creating their own house in the future. So if you will notice, I used big windows in this house design to match with the Zen look of the house. Let's take a look on what does the house look like during day and night time. So yeah, I hope you like the exterior of this house design. Let's now move on to the interior design of this house. Let's take a look inside and check it out. So there's one carport for this house. It was requested by a friend of mine. This will be the sala. If you will notice, I used woods and white color in this area. The initials of the couple who requested this design is G and L, and they wanted to have a minimalist theme house. So they also requested me that they'll have high ceiling design, so that's what I made on the sala area. So yeah, that would be the sala. I also put a piano on the sala area to entertain guests. So yeah, let's move on to the dining area and the kitchen area. So this would be the dining area, still a minimalist look with a touch of green. If you will notice, all of my designs have gold color because I love gold, as well as yellow color, but gold color suits well in everything, so most of the time I'm using that color. So at the back of the dining area, there will be an exit to the backyard, and there's a swing in it. So let's move on to the kitchen area. There's also bar area in this one. Yeah, this is the kitchen. a little bit big and spacious, so that the wifey will have a very big room for preparation, because I think she's very into cooking. So this would be the room of the helper, if there will be any. So it's quite spacious. Then let's move on to the bathroom or comfort room one on the first floor. So there's a bowl and there's a typical size shower. Then let's move on to the laundry area. That would be the laundry area, and this will be the hamper area to hang all those clothes. That's all for the first floor. Let's move on to the second floor and check out the rooms upstairs. At the second floor, there will be an overlooking view of the first floor, the sala, and there will be a mini office so that the owner can do his work from home jobs if there's any. Then let's move on to the master's bedroom. So yeah, there will be a vanity mirror for the wifey. It's very important. And this would be the bed. And there's also a table. So this would be a queen size bed. Then there will be an overlooking view of the outside. From the master's bedroom, there's a balcony to get some fresh air. Then let's move on to the walk-in closet. So I separated the closet of the wifey. Then this would be the closet of the husband. Let's move on to the master's bedroom, bathroom. So there's a double sink, there's a bowl, and a bathtub. I love this design. It's very zen, very minimalist, and I think it's very relaxing to take a bath in here. So yeah, that's all for the master's bedroom. Let's move on to the remaining rooms, the second floor. The third bathroom or second bathroom on the second floor. So there's a sink, there's a bowl, and there's a cabinet for bathroom supplies, and that would be a shower area. this would be for a girl's room. I literally paid extra effort on this one. I put some decorations and stuff so that the girl will love this room. The girl will have her own study table that is built in with her cabinet. So yeah, that would be all for this cute little room. Let's move on to the next bedroom. This would be the third bedroom on the second floor, and the theme would be for a boy's room. So yeah, I specifically like this room because it's so cozy. I add extra effort on the headboard, and I love the design of this headboard. The room has its own cabinet, study table, and bookshelf. So that would be all. Let's move on to the last bedroom on the second floor. This bedroom will be for a young lady. This room has a cabinet, bed, a vanity mirror, as well as a study table. So I just used yellow color because I love yellow color. So yeah, that would be all for the second floor. Let's move on to the third floor. A friend of mine requested for a provision for third floor. I added a theater room in this house. So look how cute and cozy this room is. If the family want to bond and watch movies, they can all watch the movie together inside this room, and the family will definitely save money because they will no longer need to go to the movie theater. There's also a treadmill so that they can have an exercise. This would be the third floor balcony. It has a mini garden so that the family can have their picnic outside with a little bit of a privacy. So yeah, that would be all for this house. The rest of this video will be a 3D top view of this house, so you can take a look on the floor plan or floor layout of this house. So I hope you like this video and you like how I did the exterior and interior design of this house. If you like this house, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And if you have suggestions on what theme I should make on the next house design, please comment down below. I will be happy to do it for you. So yeah, enjoy watching the rest of this video and God bless you. Thank you.